Hello everybody, so if you watched my YouTube video yesterday, you'll know that I bought this iPad Mini 7 as an upgrade from my iPad Air 5 right here. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing this iPad Mini 7. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this is the blue variant right here, and this is 128 gigabytes, and this is the iPad Mini with the A17 Pro chip. So let's go ahead and let's unwrap these two paper peel things. All right, so now let's go ahead and turn this iPad over, and let's go ahead and unbox it. All right, so as you can tell, we have the actual iPad. All right, so this right here is the actual iPad, which we'll go ahead and set down for a minute. Oh my gosh, this is such a light iPad. This is gonna be incredible use. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this, designed by Apple in California. Yes, as per an apparently common trend of Apple products now, there are no Apple stickers, because why should there be Apple stickers? It's not like Apple's known for including stickers. And then we have iPad Mini right here, and that's just a little pamphlet about it, and then we just have regulatory information that I'm not that passionate about. Now in here we also get a braided USB-C cable and a power brick, which I'll go ahead and put back in the box and save for later because I don't need them right at the moment. All right, so let's go ahead and let's unwrap this actual iPad now. So, whilst it does look like this color does look like Apple is running out of printer ink, still not a bad color, and this has iPad Mini text printed on it, which is pretty cool. And this does have a flash, which was a nice thing that I had in my iPad Pro now at 7 inches, but lacked on my iPad Air 5, so that'll actually be sort of handy. So now let's go ahead and turn on this actual iPad, and it is turning on. So I will set this up later, but as always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes family, and peace out.